Hi friend, welcome back to the Rec Trends channel. Truesdale Ventures is the manufacturer of the zero-emissions Buggy, which is officially known as the Meyers Manx 2.0 electric. In 2020, a few months before creator Bruce Meyers, then 94, died away, it bought the Meyers Manx business from him. The body may not be made of fiberglass like the original, but the basic design is still true to its forebear.
With 20 and 40 kilowatt-hour batteries, the electric buggies will have a range of 150 and 300 miles, 241 and 483 kilometers, respectively. The charming car will be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds thanks to a pair of electric motors positioned at the back. Depending on the battery capacity, it will weigh between 1,500 and 1,650 pounds, 680 and 750 kilograms, making it one of the lightest EVs available. The Meyers Manx 2.0 electric will produce 202 horsepower overall and up to 240 pound-feet, 325 Newton-meters of immediate torque with the larger battery installed. The electric buggy will be available in 50 units for the 2023 model year before availability is increased starting in 2024, according to the Quail Motorsports Gathering event.
Each will include electronic parking brakes, windshield wipers, regenerative braking, disc brakes at the front and rear axles, and electric power steering. Even over-the-air upgrades will be allowed since the business wants to enhance the EV based on input from early users. Reservations will be accepted later this month, although pricing information has not yet been released.